Hello, this is Bobby from APEX TV Repair with a video today for an APEX LD4088 40-inch LCD. That's what we have today. Haven't seen that one before. The problem with it is coming up, the front LED is coming blue when powered on, but there is nothing on the screen. And what actually gave it away was it smelled. Burnt. I couldn't see from where in the beginning. This is how it looks on the back. This is how yours probably will look if you have the same issue. And this is the main board. This is the power board. It's not exactly the inverter. The inverter is built in the main board. This is the distribution for the inverter. But anyhow, after knowing that the backlight doesn't come on naturally, points to the lamps and specifically the inverter. And it's once we saw the symptom of no backlight, it was actually fairly easy to see the smoked capacitor on one of the two wires of the inverter. Those are, I don't really see what they are. I'll have to take the board out before we see them. But this is clearly what the problem was. We've seen it on other boards as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off that board, replace the two caps and possibly more, and see what else happens. On a separate note, sometimes when a burn like that happens for the TVs that are made with built-in inverter like that and have a ballast distribution on a separate board, sometimes one or more of those small capacitors also goes bad. So we're going to check out those as well. It doesn't seem like they're burned. They have a little smoke from the heat and dust, but that is all for the time being. So this is what it is. We'll probably end up replacing both of those. We'll make sure the connection here is also good, but I think it's fine. Yes, only the capacitor itself was blown. So we'll replace that and see what happens. So here's the board back and the burned capacitor replaced. This one was not replaced, and as you can see, this one was replaced with two. It is because I didn't have the exact value of the capacitor needed, which was 47 picofarads at 6 kilovolts, which is the same as this one. I will probably do either the same. I replaced it with two of 27 at 6 kilovolts connected in parallel. And either I will get the proper ones and replace both pairs, because I'm expecting if this one failed after working however many years, this one worked however many years as well. If it doesn't fail right away, it's going to fail soon after. I wanted to see whether this will fix the board or not. And let's try it. Pressing the button and seeing whether backlight will come up through the holes at the back. Who am I kidding? Of course I did try that before I'm making this video. Here you can see the backlight coming, and you can see the signal on the screen. So if your APEX does the same, you know what to replace. Again, I recommend replacing both, and I will replace both of them at the same time, if only so that I know the customer doesn't come back a week from now and tells me my TV failed again, it's your fault, you didn't fix it, and so on and so forth. Both of them have been working together. If one of them failed after such a long time, it doesn't cost me anything. I'm going to replace the second one as soon as I know that this is the problem. Good luck with your repairs. Again, this is Bobby from APEX TV Repair.